Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faisimi bin Amran. My student ID is 20218738 and 94.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nasirul bin Asid and my student ID is 0201468954.
My name is Muhammad Nailami bin Khairul. My ID number is 2021457746.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, for our group assignment, there is two topic given, which is application of differentiation and application of integration. So, for us, we decide to choose application of differentiation because we understood the differentiation better than integration. So, the definition and problem statement and others like solution will be given in the next slide. So next, I will be explaining to you about the meaning of differentiation. Differentiation is the process of determining a function derivative or rate of change that happens to something with the quantity obtained to be compared to other quantities. Differentiation is mostly about the rate of change, which is useful to science and engineering courses that are highly related with comparing quantities in their respective fields.
Okay, for the problem statement, and we take example 4 as a question for related objects. Okay. So then sounds the volume of water in a bowl is given by V equal to 1 over 3 pi 36 x square minus x to the power of 3, where x cm is the depth of the water. If water is poured in a rate of 10 cm as -1, at what rate is the level rising when the depth is 8 cm? So, we continue with solution. Alright, we continue with our solution. Firstly, we must take of information in the question and write it on our solution. Firstly, the volume of water is given by V equal to is volume. Volume given is V equal to 1 over 3 pi 36 x square minus x power of 3. And second information is where x is the depth of the water. If water is poured is increase. Increase, we know that the volume over the time increase. So increase is positive. So 10. And the last one at the rate what question 1 is at what rate is the level rising when the depth is 8 cm. X. We know that is x. X equal to 8. So what we want is what rate is level rising is the rate of x over the time. Yes. Okay. Alright. After that, we must write our chain rules. What we want to search dx over dt. And of course we know it has df over here and dt over here. Multiply. And here and here must be same units because want to simplify. So we have information for dv per dt. So we have dt here, we have dv here, and of course here is dv too. Alright. So for the information dv per dt we have 10, and dx per dv we must to find first. So what information we have is v. V, if we want to differentiate of v will be dv per dx equal to 1 over pi. When we differentiate of D, it will be 1 over pi 72x minus 3x square. And we want to simplify, it will be 24 pi x minus pi x square. Sorry, it will be that. So this is a dv per dx. So the information want dv per dx per dv. dv per dx are not equal to dx per dv. Is equal to 1 over dx per dv. So after that, we need to fill our formula, chain rule, dx over dt, dx per dv, and information dx per dv equal to 1 over 24 pi x pi minus x square multiply by dv per dt. dv per dt is 10. And the rate of change this we want x when x is 8. So in this equation we must fill in his it at 24 pi 8 minus by pi 8 square and then 10 multiplied by 10. So we get the answer is 5 over 64. So the unit is cm as negative 1. So that's all our solution. We continue with our conclusion.
Like, we can conclude that the differentiation is used in almost everything. Derivatives are constantly used in everyday life to help measure how much something is changing. They are used by the various types of science and even in economics. Knowing how to use the derivatives, when to use them, and how to apply them in everyday can be a crucial part of any profession. So learning earlier is always a good thing. So differentiation is used to find the change of one thing with respect to others. So differentiation can help to make tomorrow better.